Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram something went wrong error on iPhone. Well, this is a very frustrating error and many users have reported about this error most of the time. It generally arises when you try to post any content or try to log into Instagram or scroll down through your reels or your feed. So the major reasons behind this error: the server problem, or even the network issues or some outdated app issues. So we'll find the best solutions to fix the error in this video. So the very first thing is to check the server status of Instagram. So you have to go to any browser and simply search for Instagram down detector, and here you have to check if there is any downtime going on for Instagram. If there is any downtime, you have to wait for it, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to force close Instagram and reopen the app once again. So for that, if your Instagram is open, you have to force close it. So you simply have to force close like this, and after that again launch the app and check if it's working now. If not, next is to clear the cache of Instagram. So for that you have to go to settings, and after that here you have to click on general, click on iPhone storage, search for Instagram, click on the arrow icon, and then click on offload app, and then click on offload. So this will clear the cache of Instagram on your iPhone, and after that check if the problem you are coming across is resolved or not. Next is to check for Instagram update. So you must check if there is any update available for the app. For that you have to go to App Store, and in the search option you have to search for Instagram, and now check if any update is available over here. So as you can see, an update is available. Simply click on update option, and after updating your Instagram app to the latest version, now check if something went wrong error is resolved or not. If not, next is to sign out and sign in to your Instagram. So for that you have to launch Instagram. After that click on your profile icon, click on three dot icon or three line icon, and after you have to go below, and here you will find logout option. Simply click on it, and after you log out from your Instagram app, again log into it and then check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable or not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can move to mobile data or do vice versa, and after that try to launch the app and check if it's working now. If not, next solution is to log in via web browser. So you simply have to open your browser, Safari or Chrome, and after that open the Instagram, and after that log into it using your username and password, and then check if the app is opening or not. If not, then you have to restart your phone once. So after trying all the above methods, you have to restart your device. So for that you have to go to settings, and after that go to general, go below, click on. So this will shut down your phone, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then you are suggested to reinstall the Instagram app. For that you have to first delete the app. So click and hold the app icon over here. Now click on remove app, and then click on delete app. So this will delete Instagram from your phone. After that, once Instagram is removed from your phone, after that go to the App Store and search for Instagram, and again reinstall Instagram app, log into your app using your username and password, and after that check if something went wrong, error is resolved on Instagram or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.